How long will the property stay clean after your service?
This depends on how soon after cleaning your photos or inspections are scheduled, and whether the home is lived in or vacant. That said, we clean your home to a listing-ready standard that stays fresh for days, sometimes weeks, especially in empty or stage homes. Here's what influences how long the clean lasts. Vacant homes can stay spotless for up to 2 to 3 weeks with minimal dusting. Lived-in homes may need touch-ups, especially in kitchens, bathrooms, and high-traffic areas. Pets or small children can affect how long the shine lasts, but we can provide in-between refresh cleans. If your first open house or photography session is within 24 to 48 hours of your clean, it will still feel brand new. We'll even share tips on how to keep it that way for the next few days. Want to stretch the impact? Book a quick refresh before inspections to keep that just cleaned feeling every time a buyer walks in.